everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the easiest way to clone a Git repository in WebStorm. It should be similar for other IDEs, but I'll be using WebStorm and GitHub. First way you can do it is click this code button up here. So you can see I'm on my repository for this website. We're going to click this button. You see it says local clone. You've got a HTTPS URL. Now, the first way that I do it on WebStorm, so you copy this, go up here where you select your repository, click clone repository, and then you can paste your URL in here, and it will clone it. You can see it, I've already got it here, so it's not letting me duplicate it, but it will open one like this. Now you can also do it without the menu and using the terminal. So if you scroll down here, you can see I've got it in the README here. Git clone with the URL, and then you can do cd to check out the directory. We go into here, copy and paste. Now we're in that directory. Now the terminal method should work for any IDE which has Git installed into it. And then finally, you can right click the HTML file you want to open, click open in browser. I'm going to choose Chrome. Here we are. And that's how you clone a Git repository easily in WebStorm.